Ladies and gentlemen, coming up on stage to take the show to the next level. If you're ready for Kennyblaq, make some noise!
My name is MC Papi. The video you're about to watch is gonna blow your mind. Watch and enjoy.
All the way from Lagos, make some noise for Kennyblaq!
I see you. Okay, oh yeah now, let me hear you say, oh yo yo. Oh yo, oh oh. Oh yo yo. All the guys in the house, all the guys, let me hear you say, Kennyblaq. Take my wife, sorry, I didn't do that, that was a slip of tongue. Make a freestyle small, oh yeah, una know say I be shy boy. I no get leave up to follow woman talk, but my brother is the Papi. Tell me say Kennyblaq, oh, he said Kenny, he said if you love somebody, walk up to one and tell them you love them. I say why? He said no cry, no time after see. So one day I see this baby for one of my guy party. They look me and they look at me, they look me and they look at me. So I walked up to her myself, I say fine girl, I just want to dance with you, baby. Oh man, no look, okay. If your boyfriend come with my mail, anything you want to ask, baby, see. Even if the girl say Kennyblaq, come on for yeah. I say why? She say Kennyblaq, see. I'm feeling vibes, some vibes. I blow your dynamite. She say Kenny, you know fit kill my vibe. I say why? She say Kennyblaq. Away. She said, take all your trouble. I have a boyfriend with that very dark man. I tell your boyfriend and the bouncer. I said, over them all. If they won't come, happy David for life. See, Oluwa dey my side. And when they come, I swear them go feel it. Them go hold it down. Them go feel it. And if they stay young and you love me, I swear, I'm on a village. They see me, I'm on up. The guy say Kennyblaq, I'm a big guy in Abuja. I say who are you? They say Kennyblaq. I got my pictures out in Georgia. I got my good from California. I got my letters from the Celsius. Oh that shit. I say if I can see. Now me bidi down go see. Me oh to well let go. I tell the girl you think say the world they revolve. I tell the girl, you think say the world they rotate. I don't get money like say you body. What I said to God, say fine girl, I become a person. She say Kennyblaq, can you come to my house? I said no problem. PKD. Tell me what is the time and place. No holiday for your case. I know they drive best, but I go drive. Kilometer. He say Kennyblaq make we dance. I say I know sabi dance, but I said to you say you go bounce your body or we. I'm a baby, no teacher. She say Kennyblaq, where you dey stay? I said not Abuja, but oh Zumba body. Where you dey stay? He said Kennyblaq, can you come to my house? I say why not? Oga, I no go lie, see. 3 days she no call me. 3 weeks she no call me. Oga, 4 years she no call me. After the 5th year she come me. She say Kennyblaq, hello, how you doing, my angel man? See, the only one that I'm missing. She say Kennyblaq, wait. I say what? She say Kenny, where you at? What you do? Oh, you got plans? Don't say that. I'm sipping wine in my room. I say fine girl, don't talk too much. Oh yeah, just send me the location and I'll be right there. See, and I come see you, my baby. I'm a child of God, but if you see this girl, I said she get front, she get back, she get sense, she comes happy cook. Normally she be. I call Pastor Jerry, I say Pastor Jerry, this not temptation. With a little confusion. She say Kennyblaq, are you sure you can handle this? If I say the bala, say the bolo, say the bala, say the bolo, it's hard that your avian. said that's your avian. I might look like a small boy, but if I catch you for corner, you gonna say, you not gonna know anything, no, I'm still a small boy. If I catch you in the corner, if I catch you in the corner, you gonna say, if you want make a ginger, give me the Marco Jammy. I say Marco Jebi. And when I'm done with you, yes you go need no other body. Kennyblaq go touch your body. Are you single? Are you single? Are you single? Hey, you're single? Hey. Oni duro mi ẹ ṣeun. Hey, oni duro mi ẹ ṣeun. What is your name? Kenzie. What God cannot do does not exist. Oh. Are you single? You're single. Hey, miracle. You know that. Fine girl, what should I buy for you for Christmas? What do you want?
New phone.
New phone. What is the former one? What kind of phone? What kind of phone?
Any iPhone.
Thunder fire you. It don't go better for you. Thunder. Bring it down, bring it down. Abuja, make some noise. Small relationship, I don't buy phone. Whenever I will start, I just want to ask you out. Let me say, if I marry you now, I'm my next of kin. Abuja girls, you need a phone, right? I said the same. And buy the phone. You don't get a phone, you get 2 power bank. Wait till they charge your mind. Oh boy. I know say most of them they see me say this is not the Kennyblaq we know. This guy don't add weight. Abi? I don't. My lifestyle now. Why I do the comedy? So I don't chop up, Abi. I gotta be a fake life. Oh. People go to say they chop money now. The smell from where area be this. I don't talk say I go. I never lose weight small. For those of you who see me the last time, I don't come down because I go gym. She go they advise me, Kenny, no, you're losing your sexiness. These girls don't go like you again. Go to the gym. I don't realize say gym now suicide. But now you by yourself go pay for the pain. I can say go there, I go gym. I paid for 2 months. I didn't go back after 3 days. Because I cannot come and go and kill myself. And I'm not the only person here. If you know you paid for gym for a month and you didn't go after 2 days, can you make some noise? Look at my colleagues. We cannot come and go and die. For what? For what? The belly we get will not keep person. Abi? In fact, let me ask you, when you go see people now, they go show their true color. Make some noise if you have a flat tummy. Bros, never in your life do that. That's the compound. Make some noise if you have a big belly. And my sister, even you. Make some noise if you wish to have a flat tummy. You guys are now, ooh. Make some noise if you just want to live your life. My belly I get, I'm no key. I cannot come out and kill myself. And Papi, now one guy will say I like and I respect so much, but I don't tell them say me they call me. If I never clap for them, you know go like which I want to. Because I don't know they call me to perform for midnight again. They make I perform early because I'm a small boy, it's past my bedtime. Yeah, because they can only try this with big comedians. You get one art they don't try with. Keep her for backstage since 10. Portable. First of all, that's not a portable day backstage. You don't get like, Abi, you say you know what? I did backstage, you don't got me. Now go keep. Backstage, I did good. You know what? You want me? All these comedians can't say they talk about yams and breasts. Can't you pray? Can't you praise God? Can't you do that meaningful things? Imagine Portable for Bigbrother house. Make Portable come the end of house. Bigbrother will just say, Portable. Report to the diary room. Yeah. Portable will come sit down. Bigbrother will just say, Portable, what is the problem? Portable will be like, Bigbrother, they want to say house you. How do you live by here? They want to say house you. Messi don't put this out for Gigi. If they send this out for my back, that boy, even this joke why they do now at risk. The guy feel coming tomorrow. Kennyblaq, you won't read me in you. That boy, the only person where police want arrest, they're sick. They just go meet and say, Portable are the only guy who believe say anybody wants to see I'm supposed to pay. Because he's the guest artist. Make DPO pay to see you. They say, Portable, you're under arrest. DPO wants you to pass, I don't want to pay. You pay to pass that. Tell us, wait, come. They want Jesus. Papa, they called up, say, no, Portable is going with us. They call, they drop Portable. And then you want to arrest me? You know what I mean? I'm a baboon. I live in the zoo. They say, go come by yourself. Portable are the first guy when they go prison, they do video. I go by the name of Lalo. You don't go jail before. You tell your family you don't go prison. You are in a jail. You are in a prison. I go jail. Yeah. Baba, the third Portable saying will use 10 years for prison. For the first time, the voice come down. That guy is the only artist where they freestyle pass Magneto. The guy feel like song now. Song where no play. The guy, say you dey so glad along that, and I make it say for this so they go collect this Pokota me the can't say
I told you guys that you will enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. We have a lot of funny videos that you will always watch and enjoy.